National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Pemiscot County in southeastern Missouri, northern Benton County in Tennessee, Dyer County in Tennessee, northwestern Gibson County in Tennessee, Henry County in Tennessee, Lake County in Tennessee, Obion County in Tennessee, Weakley County in Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dyersburg, Martin, Union City, Paris, McKenzie, Reelfoot Lake State Park, Paris Landing State Park, Tiptonville, New Bern, Dresden, South Fulton, Dyer, Greenfield, Ridgely, Gleason, Troy, Kenton, Rutherford, Obion and Sharon. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Tennessee, Benton, Dyer, Gibson, Henry, Lake, Obion and Weakley, and Pemiscot, Missouri.